Hey everybody, today I will be sharing with you a tablescape. It is a Headbangers Tablescape, and the host of this wonderful collaboration is Miss Mary at Home with Mary, and also Tammy from Me, Myself, and DIYing It. The rules of this tablescape is to subscribe to the host, be subscribed to the host, mention the host, and add the host links in your description box. Title your video Headbangers Tablescape. Use the hashtag bandana tablescape 2020. You must upload by June 3rd, 8 a.m. Add this video to the playlist and have some fun. So that's exactly what I did. I am using items that I've already had. The only thing that I did go out and purchase was the headbands. The bandanas, I mean. They were a 2-pack from the Dollar Tree, and I bought 3, and that's all they had. So I just incorporated my blue and red table sash from eFavor Mart to go down the middle, because I have wanted to have blue and red bandanas intertwined going down the middle, but since I was only able to find what I use as my napkins, that's why I incorporated the sashes. So enough talking, and before I stop, I would love if you go over to At Home with Mary and check out her videos. She has awesome content. Also Tammy, Me, Myself, and DIYing It, she has awesome content. She is a true bling girl. And yeah, just check out the playlist at the end of the video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, why not subscribe? So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.